morning, everybody. I'm indeed very happy to be here, honored in front of all these dignitaries sitting over here. My association with Akshay Patra has been for the last 5 years. Um, the minute I came in contact with these people, uh, in 10 seconds you come to know the intention of what these people are all about and what they mean to do in their lives, and it was just unbelievable. When I started off as a small little fragment as part of Akshay Patra, the dream was to feed 2 billion children, and that already happened. The dream is already fulfilled in 2016. Now the next dream is 5 billion children, which is definitely going to happen in 2020. um, I would just request the media to please write about this, because I think this is a fabulous, fantastic organization, something that I have never seen in my life, and neither would any of y'all would have. I've gone and visited the kitchens personally. It is not only about just feeding the children, it's how to implement it. How do you implement feeding 1.6 million children a day? And if wrong, I'm not wrong, because for the last 17 years, they have not missed out on a single meal going to a single child. So that's a great achievement. So it is not only about cooking the meals and how is it delivered, how are the logistics handled in case of a rain, in case of a disaster, in case of traffic jam, how do these vans reach in time to these schools? All this is thought of, because this organization is backed by people like Sridhar and his entire team. These are people who have left their jobs in very, 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 what can I say, big companies. I think, Sridhar, you were in Wipro, isn't it? Cisco, yeah, one of those. Yeah. And he was a big man there, and he's left, and people like this are selflessly working. The kids are extremely happy. The food is very, very nutritious. Um, it's still a fight trying to get Akshay Patra into every city, but I feel that every school in this country where a midday meal is necessary, it should be with Akshay Patra, because I think it's just an outstanding organization. I wish them all the very best. And today we have flagged off this campaign of feed the future now. So we are feeding the future now, uh, because we know that there are more than 60 million malnourished children in this country, and our aim should be to eradicate that. Thank you for making me the Goodwill Ambassador. It's been an honor, because I've been blessed with the power of music. So use music not only to entertain people, but also to give out messages. That's what I try to do every time I get an opportunity. We had created a beautiful anthem 5 years back for Akshay Patra, and we played it all over the place. I don't know whether they're going to play it here today, but anyway, it's been a wonderful morning, and I hope that each one of you, especially the media, take this news and blow it up. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Mahadevan, for sharing your thoughts. Now, I would request Mr. Oberoi to please come and address. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. I keep saying that we all use the phrase, Mera Bharat Mahan, or we say Jai Hind, Bharat Mata Ki Jai. We say these words very often. Every time we feel a slight surge of patriotism, every time we feel like, I want to prove that I'm as proud of my nation as the other Indians. But if we could only convert them from words into action, if we could only live Mera Bharat Mahan, if we could only live Jai Hind, if we could only live Bharat Mata Ki Jai, we would be in a much greater India. I think Akshay Patra is one of those organizations that's been living it. I've seen them very closely for many, many years now. Just to give you an understanding of how difficult it is what they do, about 9, 10 years ago, we started a smaller operation in Vrindavan, running schools. I think some of you know about them. Rescuing girls from child prostitution, rescuing girls from forced labor camps, rescuing girls from physical abuse. And we started one school, then we started another school, then we started a third school. Today we have 3 schools and almost 2,000 kids studying there. But what's most important is that every time we asked people कि भाई आपकी बेटी को स्कूल भेजिए, हम पैसे नहीं लेंगे, they still wouldn't say yes. जब हमने कहा कि आपकी बेटी को हमारे स्कूल भेजिए, हम उसको खिलाएंगे, पिलाएंगे, उसकी देख रेख करेंगे, उसकी दवाइयों का खर्चा हम करेंगे, उसके कपड़ों का खर्चा, उसकी किताबों का खर्चा सब हम करेंगे, अब तो भेजिए. एंड बेसिकली द प्राइमरी ड्राइवर वाज आप बेटी को ले जाइए, लेकिन जो हमारा लल्ला है, जो बेटा है, वो भी साथ में आएगा खाना खाने. एंड इट वाज ऑलमोस्ट लाइक नेगोशिएटिंग अ डील with people from a village, because the schooling was so far behind, especially schooling for the girl child was so far behind in their list of priorities that it was almost impossible to convince them. Today, 14 villages where no girl ever went to school, say 10 years ago, 14 villages don't have a single girl that doesn't come to school. I think that has been an achievement through continuous perseverance and dedication. In our own little organization, I think when we're talking about 5 billion meals, we're talking about what, 500 crore meals, right? Am I right? In our own organization, it's taken us 10 years to feed 2.5 crore meals, which I used to think was, we've achieved something, we've done something big. And then I look at Akshaya Patra, and then I look at what they're doing on a daily basis. It's truly commendable. I went personally to see their kitchens, and I think Indian Institute of Management में एक course रखना चाहिए या एक chapter रखना चाहिए on how Akshaya Patra functions. Everything from working, liaising with the government bodies, being able to bring that same amount of money that's subsidized, whether it's the subsidized wheat, the subsidized dals and vegetables that they have to buy from the markets, bringing that onto the table, raising funding for it collaboratively, then executing it extremely efficiently, with extreme efficiency. I've seen the kitchens, I've seen how sanitary they are, how hygienic they are, the quality of the food. And what people don't realize is, हम farmers की इतनी बातें करते रहते हैं. Wherever there's an Akshaya Patra kitchen, they've collaborated with local people. They've collaborated with local villagers. Local villagers supply the vegetables. Local villagers supply the little things that you require. And that goes into enhancing the local economy of the place. I also know that they manage to somehow keep the food fresh and hot, despite the fact that some of their vans travel for almost 100+ kilometers as a hub and spoke model. So I think it's a great exercise in itself. I mean, you look at it more from a social or spiritual context, it's beautiful. But when you look at it from purely a management context, I think it's an exceptional example of, bang to buck. You invest this much, and then you see that little investment, that little contribution actually converting into so much more. I've seen personally, I've seen over the last 8-9 years over our project, which is called Devi in Vrindavan. I've seen what it was like when girls came in malnourished, where their hair was brown. They were like a dhancha of bones, like a skeleton. Can you hear me? Can you hear me at the back there? So I've seen what girls are like when they come in completely malnourished. And I've seen what just 3 to 6 months of food that nourishes them. जो कुपोषण से आती हैं बच्चियाँ, जब उनको ठीक ठाक खाना मिलता है, the transformation is unbelievable. So I want to thank Akshaya Patra, and I also want to pledge here today. I don't want to come here and just, give words. I want to pledge here today any kind of support, financial support, support as a celebrity, support as a karyakarta, working with you people, would be my honor and my privilege. Jai Hind.
Thank you, Mr. Oberoi, for that beautiful speech. May I now request Ms. Bendre to come up on stage and share a few lines on the campaign. Thank you.
Good morning, good afternoon. I think it's 12. Lovely to see you all here, and lovely to hear everybody also. It's been an enlightening morning for me, or can I say enlightening few weeks for me. I had never heard of this organization, let me be really honest. When they came to me, they came because supposedly when celebrities endorse a cause, it gets you more media attention, and media Why do you need us to get your attention for such good causes? But I believe that is needed. So when they came to me with that, I was like, this is a fantastic foundation. Why do you need me to do this? I mean, everything about it just speaks for itself. And, you know, what am I going to add to this? But I think what I'm taking away from it was this organization was meant to come into my life because it gave me knowledge. I came to know about something that is working beautifully, which is doing such an amazing job. And I think I'm grabbing this opportunity with both my hands and saying, media, I hope you talk about this and we talk about this cause. And I'm taking this opportunity to say, I'm glad I discovered this. Though you've been working for so many years, my bad luck, I have never heard of it, but it's never too late. I've heard of it now. It's fantastic work. And like Vivek said, anything that I can do, I'm with you. It's fabulous work. It needs to be supported. And my friends from the media, please, we need to support people who work like this, organizations that work like this. I really commend and congratulate all you know, be it PepsiCo, Nestle, Viacom, Lalit, Big FM, GSK, Facebook, everybody. Fabulous initiative. I'm so happy you're all a part of it. In my own small way, I would love to be a part of it. Mr. Sridhar, amazing, amazing job. Eye-opener and completely bowled over by it. I don't think I need to say anything more. Just say, please support this foundation. Let's all pledge support to it. www.feedthefuturenow.org. Very, very important. Let's go in there. They are not asking for big contributions. In whatever way we can, let's contribute to it. Let's feed the future now. As a mother, I know what they mean when they say that if a child does not have a nutritious meal, the child is not going to get educated. And a cause that's very dear to me and which I've always said is that we want to build colleges, we want to build big institutions, but there is no point in having fabulous colleges and you know, we have great people from IIT coming out and etc. What we in India need to look at is our primary school education. Till you don't have that in place, it doesn't matter whatever else that you do. As a parent, as a citizen from India, what they're doing is at primary level, which is the basic level and which is truly where it is really, really needed. So please, guys, support this organization. Thank you so much for this.
Thank you, Ms. Bendre. Now I would like to call on stage Mr. Sanjeev Kapoor to say a few lines from the chef's perspective on how important it is to address the issue of hidden hunger. Thank you.
थैंक यू, गुड आफ्टरनून। जब से काम करना शुरू किया है, लोग कहते हैं आपने बहुत कुछ अचीव कर लिया है, ये किया आपने, वो किया, बहुत कुछ किया। बट एवरी टाइम, एवरी फ्यू years, I realize that there is something. I remember we did one of the largest festival in the world in Russia, and we were catering about 160,000 people every day. And we thought, इतना काम, इतने खाना खिलाना लोगों को कितनी बड़ी बात है। Then I catered for कुंभ मेला। कुंभ मेला में इलाहाबाद में संगम पे, and for years I thought, wow, feeding these people was fantastic, and we are talking about 3 million people there. वो जो पहले वाला था, that was for 7 days. कुंभ मेला was for 30 days, and here we are talking 1.6 million kids every day, no matter what. तो मतलब जो हम बड़ा सोचते हैं, वो बड़ा actually क्या है, वही हमें नहीं पता. That we think that 1.6 million is too much, and Sridhar says that's only 1%. So until unless collectively we believe that feed the future, why is the need? अगर अक्षय पात्रा इतना कर रहा है, तो एक और क्या करने की ज़रूरत है? Definitely there is a need, and that need is here and now. It is not something that we say that ये हो जाएगा, कोई और कर लेगा, पड़ोसी करेगा, ये हमें ही करना पड़ेगा. There is no one else, and we are what we eat. If we don't eat, we are not there. So imagine if that is happening in our country, we are responsible. So if we want to make sure that हम लोग बहुत सारी चीज़ें करते हैं, हम श्राद्ध के बाद में खाना खिलाने के लिए हरिद्वार जाते हैं, पता नहीं कहाँ कहाँ जाते हैं, जो जिंदा लोग हैं उनको भी खिला लें. I think there is so much that we can contribute, there is so much that we can do. From nutrition point of view, I know that जिनके पास खाने के लिए कुछ नहीं होता ना, तो उनके लिए nutrition तो बहुत बाद में आता है, वो चावल में नमक डाल के खा लेते हैं. But naturally there are many things, the latent hunger that we say, and it's prevalent in country like ours, and if it is right at the top, मतलब हम बहुत सारी चीज़ों में, we are world's largest producer of milk in the world. We are number 1 in farming. We are number 2 in the world. अगर इतना सब कुछ है फिर भी हंगर है, तो कुछ हम में ही कमी है, तो उसको ठीक कर लेते हैं. And I'm sure that with your help we can achieve that. और मैं क्योंकि सब कह रहे हैं तो मैं भी कह देता हूँ कि कुछ समय से जुड़ा हुआ हूँ, और it's been very fulfilling. I've been saying हमने कुछ अभी फंड रेजिंग अक्षय पात्रा के लिए यूएस में कहा था. मैंने कहा मुझे नहीं पता कि मेरी वजह से क्या हुआ है, क्या फ़ायदा हुआ है. मुझे बहुत फ़ायदा हुआ है. I can, and I'm a selfish person. मैं अपने फ़ायदे के लिए ये काम कर रहा हूँ. So let's all be selfish. फ़ायदा होगा, ये मेरी गारंटी है. Thank you.
And I would also request our friends in the audience to please stand up.
Thank you. Namaskar, Adab, Sat Sri Akal, good afternoon to all of you. Thank you for coming in today. It's a delight to be here with all of you. I hope the message from our distinguished guests and especially the anthem sung by the children has inspired all of us. It has to me, for sure. It must highlight that this thank you note is not just the end of what we started today, it's just the beginning. On behalf of everyone who's part of Feed the Future, now would like to take the opportunity to formally thank all the distinguished guests, the media partners here today. Would like to especially thank Shri Vivek Oberoi, Srimati Sonali Bendre, Chef Sanjeev Kapoor, and Shri Shankar Mahadevan for gracing this momentum occasion. Off the script, so I think what Sridhar talked about the girl, I want to share a little more about that. Right? Her name is Saraswati. While she came and talked to Sridhar or what her life is all about, she also talked about one small thing. She talked about her younger sister who's still there in the school. Well, we asked her if she's going to get about 40,000 rupees a month now as a salary, would she like her sister to continue in the government school? Guess what was the answer? Answer was yes. And we were quite surprised because she's going to get 40,000 rupees a month. She can surely afford to send her sister to a good private school. Now that's the power of the food. Because she could realize that if that's the food she's going to get, and because of the food, she's become what she's got, right? So would her sister be. So I would urge all of you guys to come forward, support the cause, get this going, because it is not just that 5 rupees a day a meal, or 95 rupees a month, or 950 rupees a year which you donate, but other side is the life and a career of somebody. Our Prime Minister Modi Sahab keeps talking about it that we're going to be we'll have the highest youth population in India, right, in next 10 years. That's fact. We would have. But would they be all employable? Answer may be no. Answer may be no, my friends. Because we know India today is the highest in malnutrition. If our children are weak, if our youth is weak, I don't think so they can be employable. They can't be working in the stores because they can't stand for 8 hours, right? They would not have the mind to work on the computers. But you need to feed them with nutritious food. Again, I'm repeating, not the chawal and probably salt, but a highly nutritious food which has to come out of the Akshay Patra kitchens and many more organizations like Akshay Patra. And we need your support, and I would like to thank all of you today once again, and my government partners, my corporate partners, my individual partners who've been helping us, supporting us for last 16 years to make this happen. So 30 kitchens we are into. Yesterday we opened one more kitchen in Bhavnagar. We have 58 new kitchens coming up in the next 3 to 4 years, and I look forward to your support. We have to make this happen. 5 billion is not difficult if we have your support. India has a strong population, and I'm sure we all can make it. So I pledge once again, request all of you guys to support us, support by going on to www.feedthefuturenow.org, or you can go to the Paytm, and the number is very easy, 72650, 72650, and keep donating 5 rupees every day when you have your meal. Right? You have your lunch, just donate 5 rupees along with your lunch. That's a small request to all of you guys. Thank you to everybody once again. Thanks a ton.
Thank you, Mr. Talwar. Now we will throw open the floor for some media interaction, some questions from the media. So I would request you to get your booms and place it on the table out there. It's done. So may I have, if anyone of you have questions, you may please start. Any questions from the media? There is a question from Shobha ma'am.
हेलो जो फूड मतलब आप डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करते हैं तो वो सही कितना होता है या किस तरीके से आप उसकी स्क्रूटिनाइज करते हैं, उसको देखते हैं कि सब जगह सही तरीके से फूड डिस्ट्रीब्यूट हो रहा है और उसकी क्वालिटी सही है?
हमारे यहाँ अक्षय पात्र में फुल फ्लेज क्वालिटी डिपार्टमेंट है. हमारा जो हेड ऑफ क्वालिटी है वो 6 सिग्मा मास्टर ब्लैक बेल्ट है उसका क्वालिफिकेशन, और हर किचन में 2 क्वालिटी ऑफिसर्स हैं, और सारे मेजर किचन्स में फूड लैब्स है और क्वालिटी लैब्स है जहाँ चेक होता है खाना. जो गवर्नमेंट रेकमेंडेड गाइडलाइंस है उसको हर रोज चेक करते हैं हम लोग, और हर रोज बच्चों से फीडबैक आता है. There's a daily feedback mechanism and we keep correcting. So children say that we like this meal, so we try to incorporate that. So all our kitchens meet nutritional norms which are prescribed by the government, and anybody is free to walk into our kitchen and check those data.
अच्छा, एक चीज़ मैं क्वालिटी की बात आपने करी है तो मैं बता देता हूँ. हम लोग पिछले महीने गूगल में, मतलब दुनिया की सबसे बड़ी कंपनी है, दुनिया की अल्फ़ाबेट लार्जेस्ट कंपनी, वहाँ पर खाने पे बहुत महत्व दिया जाता है कि खाना बहुत अच्छा होता है, सब कुछ होता है. सो वी वर इनवाइटेड, वी वेंट देयर, दैट वाज पार्ट ऑफ अक्षय पात्रा फंड रेजिंग टूर दैट आई वाज डूइंग देयर. तो वहाँ पे हम गए, किचन में हमें इनवाइट किया उन्होंने. तो मैं वहाँ पे उनके शेफ़ से उनके क्वालिटी के बारे में पूछ रहा था कि किस तरह से मॉनिटर करते हैं, क्या नहीं करते हैं. सो यू विल बी हैप्पी टू नो कि अक्षय पात्रा के क्वालिटी पैरामीटर्स, जिस तरह से जो चीज़ें होती हैं, जितने मैंने टेस्ट किए, वो सारे गूगल की किचन से ज़्यादा थे. सो वी आर टॉकिंग दोज काइंड ऑफ स्टैंडर्ड्स. इंडिया की बात छोड़ दें.
एक चीज़ मैं और भी पूछना चाहती हूँ कि महाराष्ट्र में कौन कौन से जगह पे आपके सबसे ज़्यादा स्कूल्स में दिए जाते हैं, वो थोड़ा महाराष्ट्र के.
महाराष्ट्र में अभी फ़िलहाल नागपुर में किचन शुरू किया है. 5000 बच्चे को हर रोज़ खाना मिलता है. और थाना में करीबन अगले 1 महीने में नया किचन शुरू होगा 5000 बच्चों के लिए. और काफ़ी सपोर्ट मिल रहा है हमें गवर्नमेंट से और किचन्स खोलने का. We are a public-private partnership. So 10 rupees is my cost of meal for last year. 60% of that comes from the government, union government and the state government, in the form of grain subsidy and cash subsidy. And 40% is what we raise. So if you're feeding million children every day, we need about 50 lakh rupees every day to feed these children. You see, what happens is we are a very service-oriented, low-profile organization. You would have heard that many of the celebrities, they said, we haven't heard of Akshay Patra. Now, what happens is, if, let's say India has got 500 million adults, if 1 in 100 decides to feed a child, we can triple our reach in just few months' time. Okay? Now, for this, awareness is required. And in Akshay Patra, 93% of what the donor gives goes to the program, to the child directly. Now, so we don't have much money to spend on advertisements. All this things, what you're saying, are all coming from support from Viacom, Facebook, Google, all the celebrities here. So awareness is extremely important. So that's how we reached out to celebrities like Shankar, Vivek, Sanjeev, Sonali ji, okay, and all the corporates. Because we alone cannot cater to India. Who are we alone? Unless all of us join hands, we can't solve this problem. And this is the biggest problem the country faces. If you ask me, which is, GDP is not our big problem. Biggest problem of India is hunger. Okay?
I think what's incredible about Akshay Patra, and I like to repeat what he says, that when I work with a lot of global organizations, and I've seen that their administrative expenses go from between 25% all the way to 60%. So on every rupee that you donate, sometimes even 60 paise goes towards administrative expenses. Just to give this perspective, 93%, that is 93 paise of every rupee going physically to the cause, is a 1 in a million achievement. There must be 1 in every million NGOs, non-governmental organizations, who are able to achieve this efficiency. This scale of efficiency on such a large model is very, very difficult. So the idea is to come out there. In fact, I've been talking to Sridhar even before this event, saying that whatever I can do to come on board, create more awareness, use digital media, social media. And ever since last 15 years, I've been doing, associating myself with different social causes and seeing phenomenal results, impact. And one of the phenomenal results that I've seen is that there are millions of people, youth, from not just India but across the globe, who get inspired and they reach out to me saying that I heard you speaking at this forum, or I heard your interview, or I watched you on television. I want to associate, I want to be a part of it, guide me how. And it's just a step of linking. So it started with fundraising to educate girls, and this is a much smaller financial commitment. It's only 5 rupees. That cost is a lot more. And yet we have a situation where sometimes we have less number of children and more people interested in donating and educating them. Young people who say, okay, it just cost me this much. It cost me 80 rupees, 70 rupees, which is what I spend on a cup of coffee in a cafe. Let me go out there and give her 3 meals, food, education, healthcare, everything as a package. So like that, I think a lot of people will come forward for Akshaya Patra. And once we raise the awareness, I'm sure people will respond.
Well, first I heard of it as an event happening. I said, what is this event? I don't do too many of them. Then, of course, all the details came to me. And I was traveling, a lot of things happening. You know, you're so caught up in your own life. And quite frankly, it was literally towards the end of last few days that I actually got involved because I had a lot of other things going on. Sat with my team. I said, what is it? No, what is this event that you're talking about? What is this? And then I came to know what they're talking about. I said, my God, this is amazing. When you read through it, what they're doing, it's very obvious. A lot of people come to you with a lot of causes. It's kind of fashionable to kind of, there are a lot of causes that keep coming and everybody's associated with 100 other things. But I do try as much as I can that, do whatever you can to find out and actually like what you're doing and then get associated with it. And this is what it was. What you read and what you saw told you that, my God, this is not just some event. This is an amazing cause. In my life, I've always said it's the small things that matter. And this is what this was. When you associate with causes also, it's not about the bigger picture. There are a lot of people here. I will never be able to do the bigger picture, and probably I will not achieve and ever be able to solve all the problems that are there. But what do? Do I, for that reason, don't lift a finger? Doesn't happen. We all have to do what we have to do in our own way. It doesn't have to be big. It needs to be small, and it needs to be regular, and that's all it takes. Also, what I really realize is all of us human beings are very happy and willing to help. Most of the time, we are not aware. Most of the time, we think, ye pata nahi kidhar jane wala hai. Actually use hoga bhi ya nahi. We are a little cynical about it. So if I can come out and tell you that, guys, I can be cynical also, but here I believe, and I've seen and I like what I see, and I would like to pledge my support. Please, you should also pledge your support. Because I'm not asking for something big, a huge chunk of time, a huge amount of money. It's about something small. But the fact is that little small, coming from everybody, can turn into a huge movement and can solve a big crisis. And that's what is the reality of all our lives. It's the small things that matter. And here, it is a small contribution that matters. And that's why here I'm requesting. I pledge my support. I hope you do yours too.
मेरा आप सभी से सवाल है, अगर आप लोग सामने यहाँ पर लेफ्ट साइड,
That's Jyoti, right? Jyoti from Zoom.
Zoom. मेरा सवाल ये है कि हाल ही में आपने पढ़ा भी होगा और न्यूज़ भी आती रहती है कि मील जो सप्लाई होते हैं कई गवर्नमेंट स्कूल्स में, उसके इफ़ेक्ट पड़ते हैं, अच्छे नहीं होते हैं, जिसकी वजह से बच्चों को एडमिट करना पड़ता है, बहुत सारी चीज़ें होती हैं, लेकिन ऑर्गेनाइजेशन कहता है हमने अच्छी मील्स दिए हैं, सप्लाई ठीक नहीं हुआ. तो आप लोग कितने केयरफुल होते हैं जब आप किसी से सपोर्ट लेते हैं और जब जाते हैं उन्हें सप्लाई करने के लिए, तो क्या बीच में ऐसी चीज़ें, क्योंकि आपने सुना ही होगा कि इंडिया मोस्ट करप्ट सिटी के लिस्ट में नंबर टॉप पर है और बहुत सारे करप्शंस होते हैं, तो किस तरह से आप लोग डील करते हैं और किस तरह से प्योर जो फूड है वो पहुंचता है?
जब बिहार में 21 बच्चों की मौत हुई थी तो गवर्नमेंट ने अक्षय पात्र को अप्रोच किया था कि जो मिड डे मील वर्कर्स होते हैं उनको ट्रेन करने के लिए. सो अक्षय पात्रा इज़ द ऑफिशियल ट्रेनिंग पार्टनर ऑफ गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया ऑन द मिड डे मील स्कीम. सो बैचेस आफ्टर बैचेस वी ट्रेन मिड डे मील वर्कर्स. ये हमारा काम सेंट्रल किचन से बच्चों को खाना देते हैं हम लोग, पर एज अ सोशल इनिशिएटिव वी हैव बीन डूइंग दिस. सी अक्षय पात्रा का वन ऑफ द कॉर्नरस्टोन प्रिंसिपल इज व्हाट इफ the mother had resources, what kind of meal she would have given to the child, we try to give that meal. We can't replace mother's meal, but we want to ensure that it's hygienic. Okay? सो जो वेसल्स जिसमें खाना प्रैक्टिकली खाना अनटच बाय ह्यूमन हैंड होता है अक्षय पात्र में। तो जब तक स्कूल में डिलीवरी होती है उसकी, तब तक प्रैक्टिकली अनटच बाय ह्यूमन हैंड होता है। और फूड ग्रेड वेसल में खाना बनता है, खाना पहुंचाते हैं, और जब बच्चा उसको खाता है तब करीबन 65 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड टेम्परेचर होता है खाने का। और अभी हम लोगों ने इंसुलेटेड वेसल में भेजना शुरू किया है, उसके कारण और कंजम्पशन बढ़ गया है। सो फूड सेफ्टी, अगर आप बोलो टॉप गोल क्या है, 0 फूड सेफ्टी इंसिडेंस इज अवर फर्स्ट गोल इन अक्षय पात्र।
थैंक यू।
मैं एक चीज़ बिल्ड करना चाह रहा था आपके सवाल पे जनरल, कि हम ना कई बार बहुत क्रिटिकल रहते हैं हमारे देश के लिए कि बहुत करप्ट, सबसे करप्ट देश है, सबसे ये है, सबसे वो है। देखिए बहुत सारी चीज़ें हमारे देश में भी अब बदल रही हैं, और होता क्या है कि जो आपको एक करप्ट कहानी सुनाई देती है वो बहुत फैलाई जाती है, वो सुनने में बड़ा सब लोगों को मज़ा आता है, वो बहुत मज़ेदार कहानी होती है। लेकिन एक करप्ट कहानी के पीछे 100 ईमानदार कहानियाँ हमेशा होती हैं। उनको ज़्यादातर वो क्या होता है, वो बोरिंग कहानियाँ मारी जाती हैं, उनकी कोई बात नहीं करता, उनको कोई सुनाता नहीं है। सो ऑलवेज बी प्राउड ऑफ द नेशन इंडिया इज in 70-75 years of democracy, what we have achieved, America had also not achieved. Let me tell you categorically. So I think we are on a very good path. There is a lot to be done. It is not to say there is not. There are no issues. There are no challenges. They are all there. But that's why we are all there. We have to try and solve them in our own little way.
Thank you, Mr. Watts. We enjoyed.
जैसे मैंने पहले बात की, मैं बहुत रिसेंटली मुझे इस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के बारे में पता चला है, लेकिन जो काम कर रहे हैं ये ऑर्गेनाइजेशन अक्षय पात्र फाउंडेशन, इट्स अमेजिंग। बहुत सेल्फलेस काम है, बहुत एफिशिएंटली काम किया जाता है, एंड इट्स अ वंडरफुल पब्लिक प्राइवेट पार्टनरशिप, और ऐसे इनिशिएटिव्स और होने चाहिए। इस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन का जो एम है कि न्यूट्रिशियस फूड एंड गुड एजुकेशन, ताकि द पॉइंट क्या है कि अगर बच्चों को अच्छा खाना मिले, न्यूट्रिशियस खाना मिले, तभी वो सीख पाएंगे। एंड आई जेन्युइनली बिलीव दैट जब तक हम हमारा प्राइमरी एजुकेशन स्ट्रॉन्ग नहीं करेंगे, तो कितने भी IIT से निकले, कितने भी अमेजिंग डिस्कवरीज हो, लेकिन हमारा जो बेस है वो प्राइमरी एजुकेशन में ही है, और प्राइमरी एजुकेशन की तरफ ध्यान देना बहुत ज़रूरी है। और प्राइमरी एजुकेशन सक्सेसफुल होने के लिए न्यूट्रिशियस फूड बहुत ज़रूरी है, एंड दैट्स व्हाई आई प्लेज माई सपोर्ट टू दिस। Feed the future now is the hashtag. Please guys, just online जाइए www.feedthefuturenow.org. feedthefuturenow.org. Just go on it. 5 रुपए का कंट्रीब्यूशन कर सकते हैं या उससे ज़्यादा का कर सकते हैं, लेकिन 5 रुपए कहीं भी नहीं जाते हैं। छोटे छोटे कंट्रीब्यूशंस कीजिए, ज़्यादा कंट्रीब्यूशंस कीजिए। बहुत अच्छे काम के लिए आप हमारी अगली जनरेशन को फीड कर रहे हैं, और जो बहुत ज़रूरी है। थैंक यू सो मच।
डू यू थिंक सेलिब्रिटीज एक इम्पॉर्टेंट पार्ट हो सकते हैं, क्योंकि सिर्फ इनिशिएटिव को कोई सपोर्ट नहीं करेगा?
वेल एक्चुअली ये मैं नहीं जानती थी, लेकिन जब अक्षय पात्रा फाउंडेशन गॉट इन टच विद मी, और जब उन्होंने कहा कि जब सेलिब्रिटीज़ बात करते हैं तो लोग सुनते हैं, ये मैं नहीं जानती थी उतना। लेकिन अगर ये बात है, और अगर मेरे बोलने से अगर 10 लोग भी ये बात सुन लें और कंट्रीब्यूट करें, तो आई थिंक आई वुड हैव अचीव्ड माई गोल, एंड इट विल बी वंडरफुल।
बॉलीवुड से और किसी को मतलब अप्रोच करने वाले हैं इस इनिशिएटिव को?
आई हैव नो आइडिया कि अगर वो किसी और को अप्रोच करने वाले हैं, यानी आई होप दे अप्रोच करें, और आई होप इस कॉज को फार एंड वाइड कवरेज मिले, बिकॉज कई बार जैसे मैं इनके बारे में नहीं जानती थी, ये 17 साल से काम कर रहे हैं और इतना अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं, मैं ये नहीं जानती थी। तो कई बार सिर्फ जानना ज़रूरी होता है कि कहीं पे अच्छा काम हो रहा है, और मैं जानती हूँ कि लोगों को जब मालूम पड़ता है कि कहीं पे जेन्युइनली ज़रूरत है या अच्छा काम हो रहा है, तो हमेशा ही लोग बिल्कुल उत्साह से निकल के आके कंट्रीब्यूट करते हैं। आई थिंक ह्यूमन काइंड इज़ लाइक दैट। लेकिन कई बार लोगों को मालूम ही नहीं होता है कि ये हो रहा है, यहाँ पे ज़रूरत है। सो आई थिंक ये कहीं पे हम सिर्फ इतना बता रहे हैं कि यहाँ पे ज़रूरत है, और अगर आप कंट्रीब्यूट करो तो यहाँ पे अच्छे काम में अच्छी तरह से आपके पैसे ठीक से इस्तेमाल होंगे। दैट्स वाई www.feedthefuturenow.org.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you for your support.